Hello, good morning children. Class 3 children. Now see, we are revising for the essay 1, isn't it? Yeah, we have completed revising lesson number 1. Now in this video, we will be revising for the lesson number 2, that is operating systems. Okay, here also I have created some fill in the blanks. Revise them well children. After some time I will be sending you the answer also. If you don't know any answer, please learn after you receive the answers. Okay children, let's start then. See, fill in the blanks. And dash organizes the flow of data to and from the CPU. And dash organizes the flow of data to and from the CPU. Coming to the second one, operating systems are of dash types. Operating systems are of dash types. You know, multi-user and single user, there are two types. Okay. Coming to the third one, the dash operating system allows only one user to log on to the computer at a time. See, one time, one user only can use. What is that? You know, na? Yes. Dash operating system allows only one user to log on to the computer at a time. Windows Vista is a dash operating system. It is an example of what children? Windows Vista. It is an example of what? Write it. Okay. Windows XP is an example of dash operating system. Windows XP is an example of a dash operating system. Sixth one, the dash contains an icon to set the volume of the speaker. Where is the icon of this what volume will be there children? On the right hand side of the what? That you should write. Okay, the dash contains an icon to set the volume of the speaker. Seventh one, Windows 7 is a popular dash. Very easy. Windows 7 is a popular dash. Keyboard shortcut to save a file. See children, there are in this lesson they have given 4 shortcuts. Okay, I have given them all here. So learn them all. Keyboard shortcut to save a file. Okay, that will be Control plus S. Okay, keyboard shortcut to open a new file. Understand? Then keyboard shortcut to close a notepad. Then the 11th one, keyboard shortcut to open a open dialog box. To open a open dialog box. Okay. So these are there in the textbook. They are highlighted with the box. Otherwise, anyway, I will be sending the answers after some time. No worries. Okay. Dash is an example of a multi-user operating system. Dash is an example of multi-user operating system. You know it very well. The welcome screen is also sometimes called the dash screen. The welcome screen also sometimes called the dash screen. Dash is a recent version of Windows. Dash is a recent version of Windows. Coming to the next one, 15th one. The small pictures on the desktop are called dash. The small pictures on the desktop are called dash. You know it very well, very easy. The first screen that appears after logging in is called dash. This also you know very well. The first screen that appears after logging in is called dash. The taskbar can be dashed to different parts of the screen. You know what is this? The taskbar can be moved. You know, see, you can fix your taskbar anywhere from the screen. See, at any edges, or the top edge, left edge, or right edge. That can be changed. You know, moved. The taskbar can be moved to different parts of the screen. You can move and you can lock it. There it will be fixed. Usually we keep it down only, but it is your wish. If you want to keep it side also, you can keep it, no problem. So the taskbar can be moved to different parts of the screen. Understand? We can use dash to type text. We can use dash to type text. Here don't write keyboard, children, because you are now you are already learning what operating system and all that. Here it should be notepad. Okay, we can use notepad to type text. Don't write keyboard. Okay, the dash shows the file name. See, it is very easy. The name of the file. Okay, the dash shows the file name. The dash is a long horizontal bar located at the bottom of the screen. It is very easy. The dash is a long horizontal bar located at the bottom of the screen. Okay, children, revise well. If you have gone through the lesson, means if you have read the lesson, means it will be very easy to solve all these fill in the blanks. No worries, but try to attempt on your own. Otherwise, after some time, anyway, I will be sending the answers. Any answers you have not knowing, after the key answers you get, learn them well. Okay. Wishing you very all the best for your essay examination, children. Work hard, do well, and come out with the flying colors. Okay. Take good marks for every subject. Wishing you all the best, children. Take care. Bye bye.